Welcome to my video series. If you didn't know, I live in the south of England and I decided I needed to go and see all my friends on a nice big loop. The next morning, a bit of a hungover me took my drone out for a bit of a walk, just going around the area a bit. I can't remember how long the walk was now, but I was just waiting for my parts to come. Hopefully, they'd be here soon or today. The weird thing about living this far up, you can't get next day delivery. 2 days at 3 at best. Hi, this is Corey. Welcome to Corey's World. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing, cutting towards myself, with. It's not as sharp.
Yeah, you're not doing a very good job there.
No, it's not as sharp on the ends as you'd think. We're going to be unboxing today motorbike parts, because my bike is in a bit of a state. Okay, we've got the chain. It's meant to look like. We're going to get a comparison in a minute. Oh, okay, so we've got all the bits, it looks like. That's good. I can't remember which pockets I went for last time, but this is a JT one. And I can't remember what I went for last time. I hope that's the correct size. Right, let's go put it on the bike. So thank you to the locals who lent me their parts. Ian's brother lent me his torque wrenches. He gave me a couple just in case, because the rear sprocket bolts and all that have to be put down to a whopping, what was it, 40 newton meters, I think, on the rear, or 50 newton meters or something, and then the main nut is like 60 or something like that. So it's not like mega tight, but it's tight enough where you definitely don't want to over tighten them. And yeah, even found a little bit of Loctite to like put on the bolts, which is what you're meant to do, which is great. So yeah, and you can see them little things flying around me, and where I'm wearing the face masks. Yeah, midges, loads and loads of midges everywhere. Ugh. Right, well the chain's on, and I've also got me. Oh, where have we put it? Ah, there it is. A new charger for the bike. New sat-nav, Chinese charger. I'm going to install this now as well. Get all this done. All done. With the bike back together, I took it for a quick test spin to see if it was all good, and yeah, it seemed to be absolutely fine. Alright, with the bike all repaired, I was now able to head down south, where I'll be meeting up with some other familiar faces.